Ah, oh, she's not sitting right anymore. She always ruins it when I want to videotape her. Come on. Do it again. You're being so cute. Ah, there we go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Get your toe. Come on, do it. You're being so... Ah. Now she's like angry. Eva. Ah. She ruined it. You. Get over here. I'm going to make a video out of you. You're no fun. You're so annoying. Mom, she ruined my video. Now I'm gonna videotape you.
Don't do that.
I'm like super sick and Wally's being like super cute. I think he's trying to cheer me up. Wally, what are you doing? You're shoving your head in the bed. What are you doing? Ow. He's being all silly. He's shoving his head in my bed. What are you doing? It's Buzzy. The Buzzy. And more Buzzy. This is his ear. This is his other ear. Like he has his whole head in there. I can touch his nose. Poke your nose. Why are you being silly? You're being very silly. You still got the Buzzies out. Oh my god, you bonked your head, you dummy. What's he? Stop biting my bed. Hey, stop biting the bed. No, no, no. Here, bite your tail. Oh my god, you dummy. You're so cute. Ah. Ah. I'm gonna bite you. I didn't really bite him. I put my mouth on him. Hey, Buzzies. I see those Buzzies. What are you doing? I got the tail. 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 My tail. Pull. I don't understand. What does that mean? What are you doing? You're being a weird cat. You have all this extra skin. Ah, you're being so cute. What do you want? You want play? I don't know how to play. Wally. Excuse me. You're being a weird kitty. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, you silly boy? Hey, you're still rubbing. What are you rubbing for? Oh, I'll pet your head if that's what you want. I didn't know that's what you wanted. Why didn't you just say so? Why didn't you just say so? I would have pet your head. I love petting your head. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.